Good morning, lovely people. How are you doing? This is Bukola giving you live updates from Phonenix Estate in Abramade Soya. I can remember vividly when this estate was launched at the pre-launch price. A lot of people keyed into this project, but some people were doubting. Some people were thinking, will this project see the light of the day? Will there be anything to regret? My people, here I am showing you the quick update on this estate today. It is coming out well. Now, we have different sections in this estate. We have a section for the bungalows, as you can see. We have a section for the bungalows. We have a section for the terraces. And we also have section for the block of flats. My people, this is the time to key into any project. Off-plan project gives you the opportunity to pay an installment, to modify, to check the progress of the building, to check the integrity of the project. So my people, you need to key into this project now, and we're still selling fast. We have the welcome center, we have the green area, the sports center, and this asset has a lot of smart features. Everything is smart. So you check the caption below for the prices that we are selling now. You can still key into this project. I'm waiting to hear from you. Thank you.